Alright, so Windows 10 ships with two different browsers, Microsoft Edge and the traditional Internet Explorer. This is Internet Explorer 11. I don't think they are going to be updating it beyond that. Internet Explorer and Microsoft Edge, why do you need two different browsers in your operating system by the same company? Microsoft Edge is basically stripped down from Internet Explorer. It's made to be a light browser. So it's made to be modern and fast and introduces new modern features. However, there are still issues with it, and you are going to run into compatibility issues when visiting certain websites or trying to do certain things with Microsoft Edge. If you're just using it for traditional browsing, you won't probably see these kinds of problems. However, if ever you get to a website and you're not able to use certain features, you may want to try using Internet Explorer. As well, Internet Explorer has additional security settings that you can control for your employees, so that may make it better for certain scenarios. Let's just go ahead and take a brief look at what these two browsers look like, so you can understand exactly what we're looking at here. This is the first time I'm opening Internet Explorer 11 on this device here. I have not needed to use it. Alright, so this is Internet Explorer 11. So it's a traditional browser with traditional controls. You have probably used this browser for many, many years. People haven't really liked it in the past. Microsoft hasn't done a whole lot to improve it in the latest version here, but it's still going to be better in many corporate environments. This is Microsoft Edge. As you can see, it's a lot more modern looking. We're going to go through some more specific features in another video, but just to give you a brief tour of what this looks like. So on the home page here, you can choose what shows up here, obviously, but by default on the home page, you will get some relevant information to you. So news items that you may like. This is weather from my local area, local sports teams. And then it also gives you suggestions for different applications that you may want to download. Up at the top here are the controls. So you have backwards and forwards, refresh, and this is your hub. So your hub shows you these items here: favorites, reading list, history, and downloads. And as I said, we will be discussing those features a little bit more in another video. This feature gives you the ability to write on the web. So you can actually annotate a web page and then send it off to someone. So if you have something particular that you want to share with a colleague, as an example, this basically takes a screenshot of that website, allows you to then write on it, and then you can go ahead and share it. And then you have additional features here: open a new window, open an in private window, and then you have some settings here. There's even a nice dark theme, which may be nicer. So again, we'll go into more detail in a later video here, but this is just a brief introduction of what the difference is between those two browsers.